manufacturing company. So basically this company is a garment based company. The company earns a good profit where the company's the sales is very decent, and the company is meant for an expansion also, and the demand of the company among the customer is a very good response. But then there are some problems prevailing in the company. So that is what we are going to diagnose in this case study today.
Good morning, my name is aspirants. So I am going to explain about the introduction of the Anandam Manufacturing Company and their problem statement. So actually, Anandam Manufacturing Company operates on garment manufacture. They are large in market. So they provide a rapid expansion, which also they increase in demand and also expansion in new market and high production capacity. So they have a large market base, so that they also face some problems. So I will explain the problem what they face in the Anandam Manufacturing Company. First one is growth equity mismatch, which is sales increase significantly but receivable increase faster than sales. And second one is working capital inefficiency, where they face debt turnover, inventory turnover, and payback period.
Good morning everyone, I am Karthik, and I am going to talk about another problem faced by the company is capital structure issue. The company don't have a proper capital structure. They don't have balancing equity and debt, and then cash flow analysis. The company weak in cash flow analysis. They don't maintain the operating cash flow and financial cash flows. And then advanced financial analysis perspective. In advanced financial analysis perspective, the company should do liquidity analysis, efficiency analysis, and solvency analysis.
Good morning, I am Anandam. Now I am going to explain the businesses. The company faces two risks. Business risk high due to the fixed cost, and financial risk high due to the leverage. Root cause analysis, issues, liquidity problem, poor receivables, high debt against expensive, weak cash flow, profit not convertible into cash. Strategy recommendation, there are four strategies. First, improve working capital management for reduce inventory levels, financial restructuring to refinancing high interest loans, cost control measure, monitor operating expenses, improve production efficiencies, cash flow focus, shift focus from profit to cash generations, prepare cash budgets.
Good morning, I am Nisar. I am going to explain a bank lending issues of Anandam Manufacturing Company. I explain both positive indicators and negative indicators. Positive indicators growth, market demand, increased sales strength, and entrepreneurial capability. The negative indicators are poor liquidity, high leverage, weak cash flow, insufficient operation. The final decisions are loan can be granted with strict monitoring, collateral requirements, financial covenants.
I am Adiyasana. I feel privileged to conclude this Anandam Manufacturing Company. The Anandam Manufacturing Company highlights the rapid growth without financial discipline. It leads to liquidity stress, increased risk, and potential financial insecurity. Based on my notes, I will carry some details about profitability is not equal to liquidity, and growth is not equal to sustainability, and debit is not equal to always liquidity. Thank you.
We joined with the conclusion part of Hari, what he was discussing. So when we come to understand about this case, we can observe what is the problem behind the company. So though the company is earning a profit, the company is not having a proper liquidity position. So that is the main problem in the case study. So profit is not related to liquidity. So as a company, they should have a proper liquidity analysis. If the liquidity position of the company is good, they can manage their working capital. The other problem which we have analyzed here is the debtors turnover ratio is very less. That means the company is doing the sales in mode of cash as well as in credit mode. So when the company is obviously doing the credit sales, the debtors will arise, right? So the company should take some efforts in order to collect the amount from their customers. Here, the duration is long. That is, once the sales is being done, it is not immediately converting into cash. So that is a problem prevailing here. So as a company, they should take They should check with the clearance of their customers. They should see the credit evaluation, and based on that they can go for providing the credit sales to the customer, so that they can avoid the patterns. So coming to the point, this company is facing a liquidity problem, and in future this might disturb the company's solvency position also. That means once it has been keep on growing, it will disturb the company's running in future. So the company should have a proper financial statement analysis. They should have a proper liquidity solvency analysis, as well as the data's turnover analysis. So this will help them to eradicate from the problem. Yes, thank you.